Hey guys, welcome. Let's show today what is Android virtualization and what is the use of it. So for Android virtualization, we need a one app called Wemos Pro. Don't worry, like we'll give this APK in a group. So we have to install this Wemos Pro, and when you install it, create one dummy account, like anything, like just go like there will be some sign in page or sign up page. Just go and sign up and log in here. That's more than enough. And ignore this, like once you log in this, you will get a screen like this, like add virtual machine. Like what is this VMS Pro? In the sense, Wemos Pro is an application which helps you to run another application on it. Under one Android allee you can run multiple Androids. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ like support ಮಾಡೋದು Wemos Pro. For an example, in laptop like you have a Windows but you want to run Kali or Ubuntu or some other version, so you will install VMware or a VirtualBox or some third party clients, right? Similar if you want to run in Android, so we use Wemos Pro. So and like here you have an option like normal Wemos, like not a premium version. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ you have a very less features, like only one virtual machine ಹಾಕೋಬಹುದು and only like non rooted ಮಾತ್ರ ಹಾಕೋಬಹುದು, and there are like so much restrictions. So but in Wemos Pro we have so much facilities. So like let us click add virtual machines. Okay, and ಇದೆಲ್ಲ like free, ಅಂದ್ರೆ like Wemos Pro itself will provide you few ROMs andre just like Kali avella like OS kind of system, right? So in mobile we call it as ROM, like Android version 5 ROM, 7 ROM, 8 ROM, 9 ROM, like that. So as of now, like I have 4 ROMs. So if you want to download it, like you can click here. Okay, once it get downloaded, like after it get 100%, I don't do download that. Once you get 100%, you will get a like plus mark like this. Okay, plus mark. So let me add this once again. When you click that, so now this Android is getting installing, like ROM is getting installed. See what happens here, Andre, you can transfer the data between main Android and this virtual Android, but whatever you do in virtual Android will not affect the main Android. That is one of the advantage here. Like that is the main reason I am giving you this, so that you can run mod apps. See, mod apps, so you will like ಕೆಲವೊಂದು lower version like 5 6 work ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So you can install 7 8, like see here they have given up to 7. So ನಿಮಗೆ 9 version ಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲ 11 version ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ you can download ROM from XDA forums. Like there are so many forums called XDA developers or some kind of forums. You can download a ROM from there and you can boot it here. Okay, so it is booting. First time install ಆದಾಗ like configure it will take a time. See now I have installed Android 5 version. You can check it out. Like this is how we had Android 5, right? And this is super user, I mean like rooted mobile. So from here, like you can even navigate to anywhere. See, let me go to my main OS. This is my main OS, but I have here my virtual OS. You can even browse here. Hello. Yeah, you have to do some settings. General, not here. Advanced, not customization things. Okay, Google and yeah, Chrome. Hello. See, now it works. And here like how to import apps. For example, let me import. Yeah, click this, transfer, import, whichever you want. Like see here, like if it is highlighted, it means it will support. If it is not highlighted, it will not support. Okay, this is Android 5. Let me launch for you. Okay, how to stop, in the sense, I mean like how to stop this virtualization. Click here, stop. it will stop now. Let me go to Android 7 and will show you how to use yeah, this is rooted, this is not non-rooted. See, some apps will not run in a rooted device, so you can choose a non-rooted version of the application. So let it boot. So it's booted now. So yeah, now we'll get some app, transfer, import, uh, let it load. Okay, I have haha mod. Let me import. See, it will only import and it will install automatically, like you need not to install manually here. It is getting installed automatically. So let it install. If you get any issues or any problem, let me know. And see, don't try India call app. It is not working in Android virtualization. I don't know why, because it needs that phone, like communication portal access, but in virtualization it is not able to access through the virtualization. So I can't, I mean, like, I tried many ways, but I can't help you with that. But you can run the India call app in lower versions Android. Yeah, now installation is successful, so let us launch the app. Yeah. Hmm. Got it. Make sure you have a good internet. Working peacefully, guys. You just sign in some random account, so it will work easily. Thank you.